The universe is responding to your vibrations, and the changes in your life are not mere coincidences. Rather, they are the results of your unwavering faith and intention. Adore the gentle whispers of the Almighty, dear child, for He is causing a profound awakening within your soul. You stand on the brink of a remarkable transformation that is igniting the sacred power of your mind with each thought you cultivate. With each thought, you weave the very fabric of your reality. God's grace is falling down upon you like a warm, radiant light, leading you toward kindness and compassion in a world that frequently tests our spirits. You are being called to rise above, and as a result, you will embody the essence of grace, choosing love even in the face of adversity. The abundance of blessings that come your way is not only for your personal enjoyment, but it serves a divine purpose that enables you to become a beacon of generosity and hope for others. You are being transformed into a conduit of God's love and provision, sharing the fruits of your journey with people around you as you allow yourself to be moved by the divine whispers. Every encounter, every difficulty, and every victory have been skillfully combined to produce a masterpiece that is uniquely. Though the road may have occasionally looked obscure, know that each step has brought you closer to realizing your destiny. Yours, the Lord, has been directing the events of your life with a steady hand and a loving embrace. Get ready for heavenly changes in your life. The Lord is bringing forth amazing transformations that will lead to favor being pursued by you. Even if you didn't have the connections or resources, you could have felt constrained by your circumstances, but your unwavering faith has made a way for you, and as you honor God in your life, He is about to change things for the better. Anticipate a shift from deprivation to plenty, hardship to prosperity. God is arranging circumstances that will beyond your highest expectations. He assures you that the job I started in you will be finished, and that any delays you may have noticed are actually divine preparations for your biggest successes. A fresh tune of happiness is being instilled in your heart, as this time of year is abundant with my kindness and affection. Your prayers are about to be answered. Cling to your faith and refuse to let doubt creep in. Blessings and breakthroughs are flowing in. Get ready to receive the abundance that is yours, and have faith that God is interceding on your behalf and is at work in the background, proving your spirit and quieting the doubters. As His splendor shines through you, the exact narratives that attempted to undermine your journey will be turned on their head. You will rise as a witness to His goodness, embodying the grace and power that only He can supply. God is about to speak for you in a way that will contradict what people have been told about you. God will defend you. Allow this truth to resound in your soul and speak it out loud, like in this video. This is not just any announcement. Rather, it is a profound revelation of the divine plan that has been unfolding in your life. A glorious new chapter has been set in motion, and its unveiling is soon. If you believe in God, the Spirit of the Lord has spoken over you, declaring with unwavering certainty that you are prepared. God Himself is going to unlock the door you have been longing for, and praying will open, giving you access to the holy promises He has specially chosen for you. Your wait has not been oppressive. Rather, it has been a divine preparation as opportunities and benefits tailored to your specific needs have been arranged by heaven with boundless love and ideal timing. As you stand on the verge of this sacred transition, you can rejoice because the peace that surpasses all comprehension will soon fill your heart. Know that your trials were a refining fire set by a loving Father molding you into a vessel of honor. What once weighed heavily on you has now been lifted, and the habits that kept you bound have faded away like dust in the wind. The energies that did not serve your highest purpose have been released from your being, and you now stand purified and renewed. Every moment of uncertainty, trial, and period of waiting has been a carefully orchestrated part of the divine blueprint. Let your faith be strong, Let your patience be steadfast, and let humility flow from the depth of your spirit. For you are about to step into a realm of divine favor. What awaits you? Beyond this open door will surpass anything you've imagined or dreamed. The surprises in store are sacred and precious, as God rewards the warrior who has endured with grace. Your path has been divinely guided every step, planned by the one who knows you by name. The reward is near prepared for you since the dawn of time. As James 1:12 says, "Blessed is the one who perseveres under trial. For once they have stood the test, they will receive the crown of life that the Lord has promised to those who love him." The challenges you faced were never meant to defeat you, but to grow an unshakable faith within you. Each struggle was a stepping stone, elevating you to a place where God's promises unfold like a glorious sunrise. It is in this sacred convergence, where his timing aligns with your perseverance, that his plans are revealed. God is not done with you. He will continue to call you forward. He does not see your mistakes. Rather, he sees the divine purpose within you, just as he anointed Aaron. The past no longer defines you. Instead, you are a new creation, radiant and beautiful. Know that the universe that God created in response to your faith is ready to receive what you are ready to receive. Abide in this truth because God's promises are sure and faithful. Proclaim with boldness that you are his and that he is mine. Let your spirit soar, knowing that you are divinely positioned for the blessings that lie ahead. Type 1111 if you trust in the Almighty who calls you into his marvelous light. Dear child, have you ever questioned why you haven't been able to manifest? The answer is straightforward. If you're a spiritual person trying to make changes in your life inside your closed circle, you require a different approach. Southwest, please take note of this warning. This 1-minute prayer from biblical times generates prosperity and abundance into your life. Would you want it? After hearing it, you will begin to attract wealth and abundance in less than 7 days. Blessings will pour into your life. To learn the wealth secrets of divine prayer and attract money and abundance into your life, click the link below. Your angels and spirit guides are really directing this crucial time in your life and are working non-stop behind the scenes to uplift your spirits. Even if you might not always be able to see the big picture, focus your energies and move with the utmost care and accuracy. Give up any attachment to your own plans and preconceived notions, because something far, far greater is unfolding miracles beyond. Trust that the divine has your best interests at heart. Trust in the boundless love and wisdom of the heavenly hosts, because they are crafting the perfect path and divine purpose for you, even when things don't unfold exactly as you had envisioned. Your greatest dreams are coming true, prepared to materialize in ways that will completely change and elevate you. Let go of any lingering ideas of limitation, scarcity, or unworthiness, because angels have already started to clear the path, remove obstacles, and lead you toward new sacred connections, opportunities, and divine assignments that are hand-picked to illuminate your path and accelerate your spiritual evolution. The heavenly realms are buzz with activity on your behalf, orchestrating synchronicities, opening doors, and ushering in a season of abundance, restoration, and quantum leaps in your life. Trust that you are being divinely supported, even in your most challenging moments, for the angels are working tirelessly to reposition you for your highest good as you navigate this transformational time. Remember that you are a living, breathing expression of God's unfathomable love. Just as Jesus Christ came as the ultimate embodiment of the divine's compassion and grace, you too are called to be a radiant vessel of that same sacred light when you speak. Whether in casual conversation or impassion, proclamation, may your words not only be heard, but may the very presence of the Almighty flow through them, touching and transforming the lives of all who encounter you. This is your divine purpose, to reveal the heart of the Creator. Not through your own limited strength or wisdom, but through the boundless grace power and unconditional love that courses through your being. This sacred calling requires deep humility and unwavering alignment with God's heart. You are not here to brag about your accomplishments or to impress people with your talents. Rather, you are here to humbly steward the priceless gifts that have been entrusted to you and use them to uplift, encourage, and empower everyone whose lives you touch. When you minister to others, whether through acts of service, wise words, or a compassionate embrace, you do so with the same unfailing love that Christ has for every single soul. You are a vessel of divine love, and your purpose is to reveal the light and presence of the divine in every encounter, not through your own efforts, but rather through the outpouring of God's grace in this profound journey. Keep in mind that you are not designed to be the solution to every issue or to bear the weight of the entire world on your shoulders. Acknowledge your human limitations, for in doing so you make space for God's limitless strength. 2. Shine through your weaknesses, as the Apostle Paul so eloquently reminds us in 2 Corinthians 4:7. We have this treasure in jars of clay to show that this all-surpassing power is from God and not from us. You are like a fragile urn vessel, delicate yet filled to the brim with the divine treasure of the Almighty's presence. It is not your own might or capabilities that move mountains, but the glory of God that flows through your yielded heart. Even in your brokenness, your imperfection actions, and your moments of doubt or despair, His power is perfected. Do not burden yourself with unrealistic expectations or the need to be more than you were ever meant to be. Relax in the knowledge that you are an integral part of God's grand cosmic design, and that even your weaknesses serve His higher purpose through your flaws. His perfection is revealed, and through your limitations, His boundless power is displayed for all to behold. This is a season of divine transformation, a time of healing, abundance, and deep spiritual alignment. God, thank you for giving me life and happiness, and for guiding me in the right path of peace and salvation. I love you. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. The heavens are opening, your prayers are being answered, miracles are flowing into your life, and the all-consuming love of the divine is about to flood your soul in ways you've never imagined. Are you ready to step into this sacred moment and receive these divine blessings? If so, type 555 to declare your readiness. Click the subscribe button to receive updates whenever new videos are released.